In this video, we will discuss the PPP and stimulus package update. 6 things to look out for plus possible stimulus check amount. Let's jump in. This is Business Media TV. My name is Mimi, the business advisor. On this channel, we advise business owners on how to start, grow, and sustain their businesses. If you're new to this channel, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Today we'll be talking about the details of the proposed stimulus package up at the Capitol Hill. $900 billion fiscal stimulus deal. The stimulus deal will possibly include a $300 billion amount for the Paycheck Protection Program and a $300 weekly federal unemployment benefit. A second stimulus check will probably come in at half the original $1,200 that we saw for the first stimulus. It will cap at about $600 for eligible adults and their dependents, and these will be paid directly to Americans like the first time around. These are the changes you should look out for as far as PPP is concerned. It will be more targeted. It will be made available to small businesses with 300 or fewer employees that have sustained a revenue loss of 30% in any quarter in 2020. Other proposals have higher loss thresholds, some as much as 40 to 50%. But we'll see what happens eventually. Set aside for community development financial institutions, those are CDFIs. The bipartisan framework specifically singled out lenders working in underserved communities. Also note that a set aside will be made for businesses with 10 or fewer employees, as well as live venue operators under stay-at-home orders. If you've been getting value from this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. More eligible expenses. The original PPP called for borrowers to spend 75% of their loan on payroll expenses, including the cost of benefit, while the remaining 25% could only be spent on eligible expenses like mortgage, interest, and some utilities. This ratio dropped to 60 to 40% in June. But this time around, several proposals included in the bipartisan framework say personal protective equipment and investment in facility modifications like retrofitting an HVAC system should become eligible expenses. So we'll see how that goes to once they pass the final bill. Number 4, the fee structure may change. As proposed, the PPP fee structure would become more of a rolling threshold. For example, lenders would get 3% of the principal being financed up to $350,000. Beyond this amount, the fee would drop to 1% of the principal. Several other proposals allow for lenders to get a flat fee of $2,500 for loans of $50,000 or less. Number 5, forgiveness will get easier for small borrowers. The PPP framework calls for simplifying the loan forgiveness process for borrowers with PPP loans of $150,000 or less. While this remains unclear as far as meaning, several proposals have noted that blanket forgiveness for loans under this amount could be in the offering. So keep your hands crossed. Tax deductibility may be allowed. Although PPP money doesn't count as taxable income, the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) ruled that businesses can't also deduct the cost of wages or other expenses if those expenses are paid for with forgiven PPP money. Some regard this as double dipping. The next round of PPP will clarify the point as to whether businesses could get the money and take their normal deductions. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.